Mommytang, what's happening? Yes, I know. This is a little different. I know. And I feel really, you know, because there are a lot of people around me. And it's, you know, it's new for me too. And I'm sweating because like I thought it's going to be really like cold, but it's actually hot. And I was sweating. Anyway, today we have I'm sorry, Fukuoka style tonkatsu ramen dandu, okay? I found this out actually through Vegan NYX, and they recommended this vegan ramen place. So I'm here to try because last time I had vegan ramen, I think it was a couple years ago, even more, maybe 3 or 4 years ago. The great about this place is that, look at this, okay? They do have regular ramen, but they do have vegan ramen. This is their regular, but look at their vegan section. It's huge. They have 4 different types of ramen with a whole bunch of side dishes that you could order. See? I'm gonna ask her what's really good here, but I'm gonna order 2 ramen with some side dishes, and I'm gonna try if it's good. I'm sweating. Okay. I'm like, yeah, I'm ready to order. Vegan ramen?
Oh, the vegan?
Yeah. What's the most popular?
The negi goma because it's roasted sesame.
This one?
Yeah.
How do you pronounce it? Negi goma? Okay, I want to order 2.
Classic.
The classic?
Yeah,
this is a spicy?
You can choose the spicy over here.
Try this one, nagi goma spicy.
Sure.
And then I'll get the classic ramen. Yeah, sorry. Thin noodle for the classic. And then for this one, we'll order the thick noodle. Or
Sure.
no?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Standard.
Standard?
So
Okay, we'll do
next time
standard.
you just edit.
Yeah, okay, I'll do everything standard this time. Then.
Anything else?
Japanese, right? So I'll get one of this tea, but cold. Okay, so I'll get one of that. Ooh, they give you something to wipe your hands with. That's awesome. Can't cut it. Ooh. So many people, so many dogs, guys. What's going on here? The corona and everything. Like after you touch the menu, make sure you guys wash your hands or sanitize your hand like crazy, okay?
They never really matured.
I got all greedy. Take some out. Wait.
All the players. It's like, what do you think about this player? It's like, oh yeah, well, he's got a big dick for a while. He's like, oh, you know.
Yeah, but also because this is different for me because this is the first time it's not you. Where I can be very sort of like.
What is going on here?
At this point now, they're at the school. So the you know the little girl who's in their class, she's not old.
Kind of, you know, right level of
I think they did teach, but they teach her in that class.
the 28.
Oh no, maybe she's 3. Maybe she's like a really young kid. Because
Maybe she suspects that she's going to get fired. They're like pushing.
because her
Okay, my first kuja bite. Let's see.
it was like nice and not too crowded. The rules were kind of nice. Like you can only go in one direction.
To pair up this ramyeon with cold green tea. Oh, it's amazing. I am sweating like I'm in sauna. I'm always sweating, but today it's like so hot. And I wish I could take the sweater off, but I can't.
Which means that
Guys, this is a negi goma one, okay? The first one was classic, but look at, oh my gosh. Look at the sesame seed on it. And the scallion is so freshly cut, and there's little tofu in there, as you could see. Oh. And the tofu, it's not really like soft, but it's kind of like meaty tofu. With, this is sushi nori. It's toasted, no oil, so it's dry. Let me try this one. Oh, guys, I am sweating like this is like Africa or something. Oh.
spice.
Okay, let me try this. I think this must be the spicy one.
Why don't you ask yourself? You just take someone's life.
You say, what do you say? I mean, no thanks.
My parents would totally have done shit like that and told those stories. It's just growing up and someone, you could prevent someone from dying. How will you mock this?
The sesame seed hit my throat.
My parents would totally told that.
Not the good spicy though. Oh my god. God, is my makeup melting? Oh my god. Oh my god, definitely. If you want to like sweat, coming noodle. So the classical one, right? The one that I ate before, that was really creamy. But this one has really nutty flavor because of the sesame seeds on top of it. I mean, it's spicy too, but it's a lot more stronger. The classic was definitely a lot more smoother, you know, and not plain, I shouldn't say, but and it's so loud here. There's like trucks going on, and like you hear this, like big trucks going in and back and forth. Ooh. But this one has a lot more spicier and more flavor to it, you know? It's like, I would say, like compared to ice cream, the classic was like more like a vanilla. This would be like vanilla with all these nuts and, you know, like. Woo!
So we were talking about
Yes. With a lot more toppings, but whew, that's spicy. You could actually order this. Not so spicy, but I ordered it spicy. Oh, it's spicy. Okay, let's try the broth. The broth, look at this broth. Look at this broth, you guys. I mean, oh my god, it's so thick. Do you see this?
And then like process-wise, now writing this document and bringing it to
And I forgot what this was. This is some side dish, something spicy, I think.
right, yeah.
Ooh,
I didn't ask. I was curious, like what the
it's very Korean tasting. It's called karashi takna? Karashi takna, and then you could, if you ask for it, it comes in the noodle, or you could ask for it on the side. I asked for it on the side, but oh.
salary thing. It's how much
right recently. And I was like, wow. You should do like, it was fine. It was
no overhead.
It's like,
That's where it
Oh my gosh, I mean today it's really hot, but if you come here in the winter or the fall when it's cold, oh my god, you'll be so good. I wonder if they have dessert here. Oh, this sauce is, I know, definitely soy sauce. I taste cabbage and some sort of ginger. Is that tofu? No, it's like some sort of protein in there. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's oil, I think.
more like the actual
Spicy oil, maybe? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Chili oil.
that'd be more like this.
Mmm.
Dancer.
I'm such a fatty girl, guys. Anything oil on it, I'm just like, mmm. Ooh, I like this karashi nakata or something? Wait, let me see. Karashi takana. Ooh, I like that.
They have Wednesday off in the middle.
It's like kimchi, but
They have nothing, like no school.
not kimchi. Fried kimchi in a different kimchi flavor. I don't know, something like that. Oh man, guys, classic. This was the classic. This was the nagigama. The classic nagigama. Negigoma. Negi goma, gama, goma. You know, I didn't even try the tofu yet, actually. Let me try the tofu. I was so busy eating noodles, I didn't even try the tofu. Usually the ramen has a lot of pork, chicken, beef, but obviously we're doing tofu. Just regular tofu, but it is seasoned. It's just not plain tofu, it's seasoned tofu. And the noodle, between the classic and the negi goma. Negi goma, do you remember I ordered the thick one and the other one was thinner? I don't know, I like them both.
Oh, I have a friend who's doing
I'm so Korean, you know? I gotta finish my soup this way.
you should find out because that way you get ready this year and then next year you'll afford it.
Oh,
So I did, you know.
wow. It's so soft with like this scallion at the end.
Had an
Oh.
offer. They went out on a waiting list. They actually had an offer. So I didn't
Guys,
know, but
sesame seed.
who knows that he's
If you like tahini, sesame seed, this is it.
but they
Oh my gosh, I am so glad I came here. This was amazing. Seriously, it was amazing. I did not expect this at all, like at all. So before I go, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the neighbor. It's very loud. Obviously, you could sit inside, but right now, because of what's going on with us, they made this like kind of like a parking spot. They opened the parking spot up and there's seating here. So it's not bad. It's kind of breezy and they have this umbrella set up, so it's kind of nice. I think at night it's gonna be so cute because they have the lights here. Although you could, I'm not okay. Yeah, oh, thank you. I wonder if a lot of people order vegan stuff here. We'll never know.
Love is love. Love is love. Yo.